Hey guys, it's Farm Boy CJ. We found the trestle that I was looking for. See if I can show you guys where it's at. It's an old train trestle. I don't really know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you guys. Hold on. Let me get back up here. Oh, where I can show you guys. Oh, okay. Oh, crap. So, here's the old abandoned trestle. Here it is. We're gonna be extra careful. It's a very old bridge. It's a train bridge, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know this was around until, well, I didn't know this was here. So, yeah, we're gonna carefully go across it to the other side, carefully, without getting hurt or anything. So yeah, we're almost to the other side. Oh, crap. Whoa. Okay. So here's the old abandoned trestle, train trestle. I'll show you guys it from this side now. It's an old bridge. It's falling apart. There's the other side. So has no rails to it. Doesn't look like no more. They took it off. But pretty glad we found this, actually. Pretty cool. Pretty happy we found this trestle. So now, carefully, we're gonna walk back across it. To the other side. Carefully. So, there's the other side, and there's that. So, pretty cool. We're still gonna be careful though. So, there's that side, and there's it all the way to there. So, yeah, pretty cool. So now, I'm glad we came out here now to film this and show you guys this bridge, which is very old. You guys can tell. So yeah, thought I'd show you guys this abandoned bridge. I'll show you guys one more time. You might not be able to see it all the way down there, but yeah. So there it is, the old abandoned bridge, train bridge, trestle. Farm Boy CJ sign out.